How to set up Discord AutoMod. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Google and then search discord.com. Log into your account, then click on three dots on top right. Make sure it's in desktop site. After you do that, simply click on the server on top, then go to server settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In moderation, you'll find AutoMod option. You'll find this kind of options pop up. So setup, simply click on setup and then increase or decrease configure limits. These are all content. After you do that, you can also change block suspected spam content, block commonly flagged words, or block common words. You can also block messages of explicit image. After you're done, simply click on Save Changes on bottom right and you're good to go. This is how to set up Discord AutoMod. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.